Today on PowerNation Daily, kill winter boredom with indoor figure 8 racing. Elon Musk has released the next big idea, at least in his head, a taxi that you're actually going to want to take a ride in. Ram promises groundbreaking style with the 2019 1500 and a video that is proof why you just don't want to stand too close to a rally course. It all happens right here on PowerNation Daily. What's up, guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. I hope you're having a great day. Be sure to let us know what you want to see in the comments. Let's get going. Mix indoor racing and demolition derby, and you get some crazy stuff. Urban Hillbilly action videos found an event in Missouri that is called Indoor Figure 8 Racing, and it's actually exactly what it sounds like. People bring their beater cars to an indoor horse arena, and well, they have some figure 8 racing, and they go at it. Although it's a short course, it's still pretty awesome to watch these guys bang into each other and have a good time as somebody's trying to win the race. Would you do it? I would. Let us know in the comments what you think about it, and if you've ever been in a situation like this somewhere driving around town. Elon Musk took a break from tunnels and autonomous cars and came out with a flamethrower. Yeah, a flamethrower of all things. It's branded under the Boring Company name. And according to Autoblog, it's called the world's safest flamethrower that will liven up any party. It sounds kind of cool. I mean, I kind of like to have one. It's available for $500 from the Boring Company's website. And although we're not sure really if it has anything to do with Musk's companies, this thing seems pretty legit. And after he posted it on Twitter, yeah, he already has 7,000 pre-orders for it. So must be appealing to other people as well. Did Musk just release this for fun? Or do you think he's trying to make some money? Maybe both. So normally if you call for a taxi, you get an old Crown Vic that smells like last night, and sometimes you just don't want to sit in the car. But in this Norwegian town, you get this hot hatch. The world's first Focus RS taxi. The locals call it Blue Lightning. The driver, Evald, puts on about 80,000 miles a year, taking both tourists and locals around town. Sounds like a fun job, right? His customers range from school kids all the way to 96-year-olds who just love the RS, at least for public transportation. Can't say that we blame her. Definitely beats your everyday taxi, or just call Uber. The 2019 Ram 1500 is finally getting a facelift. It includes hybrid technology, increased payload, and a new design that changes up the traditional look quite a bit. So I guess my truck is going to be an old truck now. Some of the major changes are integrated headlights, no traditional badging, and a raised aluminum hood, and 4 inches of added cab space to go with it, which is a nice thing to have. The rear also gets new tail lamps and a bumper. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let us know in the comments. So rule number 1 of being a rally spectator: don't stand outside the corner while the car is racing around the track. Photographer David Leclerc found out the hard way after a car took a turn a little too hard, flew off the corner, and took him out. Watch that in replay. Whoa, that's not good. He was taken to the local hospital and probably won't be standing behind the red tape any longer. I'm glad he's okay, but dang, that was crazy. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to let us know what you think and tell us what you want to see online. Get connected on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're all over the place. YouTube, find us. We're there. We'll see you guys soon.